Hey bro,
Yeah.
catch your weekend game, man.
Yeah. Bro,
Broncos are looking fine.
true.
Next level.
Understand.
Keeping up the A game now. Last day, overhead Super Mario fight there. Tried noises, so I came out to see what happened.
Huh?
Carl want to marry them.
Honest? Why?
I don't know. Probably man at them. He just needs to control his anger issue.
Understand.
It's going over his head. Now you? How? The missus?
Yeah, we're okay.
I'm having a barbecue this weekend. You should talk to Mrs. Naibla. Some good place I buy meat and stuff, so would wanna come for a spin? Keep you off your mind. Oi, you are me too.
Sorry, blood. Don't worry.
Okay, Mrs. Naibla.
Yeah, one plug him.
Brands will make them dance.
Le voy a bañarme o se muere now. Tu pela munigona, mi tinte no se muere now. I don't understand, please help me make it money now. You say my enemy step on time, but I se muere now. Bañarme o se muere now. Oh, you making me think, carangue, making me fall. Don't leave me in the dark, please give me an explanation. Why you making me sound on me? How about you Lusim olsem? Now about me making money now. How you make it look so easy? Thought that we had something special. Or was it all a game to you? The way you toiled with my feelings. Or was I never enough? How did I do you wrong? Porovari paku, au kutoku popere. Oh, you making me think, carangue. Don't leave me in the dark, please give me an explanation. Why you making me sound on me? How about you Lusim olsem? Now about me making money.